kick them, kill them, to squeeze taxes out of them. What exactly are they doing?
Minister, as Majority Leader.
Speaker, maybe because the minister, I don't know whether the Bureau of Statistics is under his ministry, but maybe he could also, and I'm not asking him to do it now, when he retreats back to his office, and I hear what the Honorable Sarah Korere has said, although with reservations, because I am certain even the military bases do not train militia. They train our military whom we respect and honor. Honorable Speaker, if you can protect me, because members do know that if you have something to say, just like I did, seek the Speaker's attention and say it. But Honorable Speaker, I was saying our military bases do not train militia. Two, I was asking the Minister, Honorable Speaker, if he can also get from the Bureau of Statistics in relation to what Honorable Sarah Korere has said and what the Honorable Junet said, the number of people that are claimed to be from two communities to equally ascertain from the same census whether the said two communities constitute a higher number in terms of population, including those who are in morgues who have died, those who are in schools,
Let him finish.
and other institutions, Honorable Speaker, because it will also be unfair to profile communities on the basis of their numbers, Honorable Speaker. And where Honorable Junet comes from, his original home, and Honorable Farah, you know, there are people who are endeavoring to increase their numbers. When I have one wife, some of them have up to 4 with a minimum of 7 children. When I have only 2 children, where I come from, Honorable Speaker.
Order. Order. One thing at a time. Let Minister respond to those. Order. There'll still be another opportunity. Let him answer those questions first. 5 of them from Junet, Wamboka,